Right guys, we are back with another comparison video. Thank you for commenting on our previous comparisons and let me know the one you want to go up against the current reigning champion, InvidiaTrade. Okay, so today we're going to be doing InvidiaTrade versus IG markets. Now this was quite a favorable one, so before we jump in, if you have any others in mind, drop a comment down below in this video. Let me know which one you want me to tackle next. But please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, we are going to start with the competitor IG.com. That's IG markets. We can see straight from the up is £0 commission. There is a number one there. Normally when this offers this, it comes up with like different account types. Now it's got 4.25% variable interest. So we're going to take a dive into that in a little bit. Established 1974, UK's number one provider and 15,000 plus markets. Okay, so commission free on all stocks and EFTs traded within a UK, GBP, GIA, ISA and SIP account. Okay, so we'll take a look at those very shortly. You can invest and also you can trade. Okay, so trade is spread betting, CFDs and US options and futures. Whereas investing will be the stocks and shares ISA, where you can invest £20,000 tax-free. Share dealing and SIP, which is can take control of your retirement savings with a tax-efficient, self-invested personal pension. But let's jump into this 15,000 plus markets to trade or invest in. Okay, so they've got indices, shares, commodities, ESG, ETFs, and forex, and they have multiple awards in 2024. Looking like they have best multi-platform, best platform for the active trader, best finance app, etc. Okay, so you can upgrade your trading experience with these. They're saying they get market insights, fast execution. Those markets we've spoken about. Expert support 24/7 trading. They must mean crypto, because I know full well forex, indices and stuff like that is only 24/5. But valuable trading tools as well. Okay, so live prices on popular markets. If we go to forex, I'm quite familiar with the forex ones, shares and also weekend markets, where they're doing the weekend GBP USD, weekend EUR USD, weekend USD JPY, gold, etc. Right, so what we're going to do is head back up to these sections at the top and take a little look into the platforms and tools. Okay, so as we can see, you've got MetaTrader 4, Pro Real-Time, L2 Dealer and Trading View. They've also got tools such as Economic and Trading Calendar, Trade Analytics Tool, Trading Signals, Stock Screener and Trading Alerts. And you can have a demo account or live account and that shares option that they are doing. Right, today's sponsor is Lead Sniper. That's lead-sniper.com. Link will be down below. Your unfair advantage in lead generation. Now it automatically scrapes leads from Google Maps, Yellow Pages and domain-based emails in just a few clicks. Now no more manual digging. You get verified emails, phone numbers and business data fast. Now with lifetime access options, it's efficient, affordable and insanely powerful. Now check out that link down below and let's jump back into the video. Now let's head on over to InvidiaTrade, the one that we all know and love. I'm going to run through InvidiaTrade just in case there are any new viewers to this channel. But what we can see is it's regulated, licensed, secure, trade and invest in the effective way. Built using the latest technology, InvidiaTrade is an intuitive platform that gives traders with the tools they need to aim higher and unlock their trading potential. They've got their social media handles there, and you can see with the slick design, it keeps it nice and transparent, nice and fluid as well. Account funding, easy deposits, either debit, credit card, wire or bank deposit, and you can also deposit directly with crypto. So the quick withdrawals are exactly the same. You can either withdraw that fund back to your bank or withdraw your fund in crypto as well. Now more reasons to trade with InvidiaTrade. They have market expertise, revolutionary technology, passive income opportunities and the complete trust and safety with their security measures. So what we can see at the top, you've got your pairs and stocks. Let's just take a quick look into what pairs and what stocks they offer. Okay, so they cover the full wide range. You've got your forex from majors, minors and also exotics. And then we're going to go into indices, where you're getting all of the UK 100, US 30 and even the Oz 200. And then you've got your commodities and your crypto, and then finally your stock. So everything is fully covered in this platform. They've got different account types. You can also have PAM accounts as well. Deposit and withdrawal we've gone through, and that massive affiliate program, that is always good. Everyone likes to have that passive income. You can see how it spreads out, the top heavy, high rise, everything like that. If you are interested in that, head on over. It's just another added benefit for you to have. Now, if we take a look in the platforms before I give you my honest review, they've got Trading View and DX, MetaTrader Cloud 4 and 5, Cloud Vision X, Cloud Trading View, and support 24/7. Right, and there we have it, guys. We have just taken a look at InvidiaTrade and IG markets. Now, before I give you my opinion, let me know down in the comments yours, and let's see if it matches up. If not, let's have a discussion. I always like to hear your opinion on these. And just remember, everyone is a different person. They are not going to have the same opinion. However, for me, and this isn't financial advice, it is InvidiaTrade again. I personally love the affiliate program. I love that they cover a full wide spectrum of it, and it's not confusing. It's a simple and easy platform. This is for the trader. It's not a case of if you want to do ISA stocks or shares or anything like that. Don't get me wrong, IG markets is a great platform if that meets your needs, but personally, for what this channel is about and what you guys are all looking for and wanting, InvidiaTrade tops it for me. They just have everything all in one basket. I personally think it's going to be difficult to beat, but let me know down in the comments your opinion. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.